is up, y'all? I am back again with another video. My voice still sounds like crap because I don't know what is going on in my throat, y'all. Like 1 minute I'm good, the next minute I'm not. So yeah, but anyways, in today's video I'm gonna be doing another Temu haul. Yes, another Temu haul, and also include what I got for my birthday part 2. I do, if y'all want to see part 1 of that, I will link it right here. Go check out part 1. It's within my birthday vlog that I showed the other stuff that I got. So yeah, but anyways, let's get into the Temu haul first, and then I'm gonna show the others. So I picked up some phone cases, these notebook phone cases. So I got this one right here. And then I got this pink one. And then I also got one for my iPhone 8. So yeah, I still have my iPhone 8, y'all. Plus I have the SE. And the one I'm recording on is the 12, which is for these. So yeah, that. I picked up another AirPod case. I don't know what's going on with my voice. Okay, I'll try to get that. This is a PlayStation 5 controller. AirPod case. If y'all didn't know, I'm like a gamer girl. Even though I haven't been playing games in a long time, I need to get back on that, but yeah. Next, I got these pack of nails from them as well. These were $5, all of these. And I was, damn, what's going on with my voice? Okay, I will leave the link to all of these in the description box if you guys want to purchase. So here are the first ones. They're like this. There are the second ones. They're all the same size, it's just different colors. It's supposed to give like, trying to find the picture, y'all see like it's supposed to be like a reflective type of look. Yeah, these are baby pink ones. And then you have these other type of pink. Let me try to take out the packaging so I could kind of have the idea on what they're trying to give. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can kind of tell. All the stuff that was inside fell out. I'm gonna pick that up in a second. Okay, so the last thing that I got from Temu was this. I finally got one of these. I wanted one of these for so long. They have so many different colors, so many different styles. They have one with the heart in the middle and stuff like that. I got blue because my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is also pink too, but I want to go with blue because I have blue flower right there. I have a blue flowers in the back right there. So my theme is really like mostly blue flowers. I don't have any like pink flowers or anything, so that's why I got blue. They said this was royal blue, but I'm telling y'all, this is not royal blue. Like, yeah, it's not royal blue. Like, I have a royal blue flower and it's not even close to it. Okay, so oh yeah, also my makeup look today is, my eye look is the ColourPop X Alice in Wonderland palette, and my blush is the ColourPop, those heart-shaped blushes that they came out with like for Valentine's Day, not the cream ones, the older ones, the powder ones. So yeah, so now I'm just going to show you guys the rest of the things that I got for my birthday, and yeah. All right, so like I said, I will leave the link to the other stuff I got. And keep in mind, my birthday was in March, so I just wanted to clear, it's not my birthday, y'all, because I know some people, as soon as they hear birthday in a video or whatever like that, they think it's your birthday. It's not my birthday. My birthday passed, but I'm showing you the rest of the stuff that I got. I just realized I didn't take out the sneakers. I'm gonna get that in a minute. But the first thing is this chain. This was gifted to me. Whoosh. This beautiful gold chain. Put it on a little bit so you can see. That's how it looks. Really cute. Pretty, very heavy too. Not super heavy, but like, yeah. The next thing I got, and I know this is like, oh, you're probably like, why did you want this for your birthday? But yeah, I got myself, well, I didn't get myself, this was gifted to me also. The PSP. Yep. I always wanted this as a kid and I never got it. I always had to play it when my cousins would come around. That's the only time. So yeah, I finally got myself one, and I did buy the charger for it, but I'm guessing this charger doesn't work. It's not good for it, so I bought the wrong one, I guess. So that happened with that. Yeah, yeah. So I haven't been able to play it yet, but this is not included in my birthday, but I just want to guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. So it comes in here. Is this thing. So this, y'all, this is handy for a lot of things. First off, this to clean your keyboard, that part. This is to remove the keys. You pull it apart now. This you could clean your phone with. You could clean your AirPod case if you have an AirPod case, and you twist it. You have another end right here. So it has 5 components. This to clean your AirPod case, and this you could clean your phone with too, this sharp part. So I found this on TikTok, found this girl that I follow. She be having a lot of handy stuff that she uses, and yeah, this is very, very handy. Like if you need to properly clean your AirPods, your phone, get you this. I will link it down below. And yeah, let me show you guys the last thing, and that'll be the end of the video. Alright, y'all, so the very last thing, which I did show a picture of in my birthday vlog, but I didn't have them with me at the time because they came like literally after my birthday, and I was like, damn. But it's these Nike Air Force Ones. Is these sneakers right here. I wore them already, and yeah, I was so disappointed because first of all, I got these in size 8 in men. These are men's sneakers. I thought I was a size 8 in men because when I was in high school and I had men basketball sneakers, they were a size 8, I believe, and I was like, okay, well, I should really get a size 8. It should fit me and all that stuff. I think I'm a size 5.5 in men's, am I pretty sure, because in women's I'm a size 6. No, I'm a 6.5. 6.5, 7 in women's. And I think to convert it into men is like 5.5, 6. But yeah, that happened. But it's okay though. I don't know if I'm gonna end up selling them and just repurchasing them. I don't know how I'm gonna do, but either way, the size 5.5 and 6, they weren't available, so yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click that bell notification if you haven't, and check out my other channels. They're down in the description box down below. And yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.